Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix tech on loading screen in Amazon Music. So if your Amazon Music is stuck on the loading screen, it usually means the app can't properly connect load data or it's corrupted. So actually guys, first you will need to restart your phone, and that's the first step as I told you. So you will need to do that instantly, so that will lead to clearing temporary bugs, fixes many loading issues instantly. So then you will need to check your internet connection, so just try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and turn the first option, or the option that you can see at the top of my screen, as the airplane mode. Turn it on, then off, and try a stronger network if available. So the loading screen equal often connection problem. Also, I do really advise you to force stop the app, and to do that you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe away or swipe up again the app. So that way you will close it completely from the recent apps and you will force it to stop. And then just open it again and check if the issue is still going on. Also guys, why not, we can check for an update for the app. So just go with Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and then just look for the app Amazon Music. Okay, tap it, find it, tap it, and then tap on update if available. Also, I do really advise you to update your phone or your software. So just go with your phone settings and tap on software updates available, and after that just go with update now. So install the latest version on your phone that prevents compatibility issues. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.